Hello friends, welcome to AF channel, enjoy watching.
We've compiled 7 monster machines at work, let's see. Cat, 6120B hydraulic shovel. With an operating weight of 1400 tons, and an enormous shovel capable of moving up to 65 cubic meters of material per pass, the Cat 612OB is the world's largest hydraulic shovel. At KH Plant, we don't deal with the world's biggest construction machines. We prefer the more humble but ever reliable Cat motor graders. We specialize in rebuilding Caterpillar 140 grams, 140H and 140K graders to as new condition. Call us on +27 83 274 4882 or contact us online to find out more. Komatsu D575A Super Dozer. The Super Dozer is an enormous earth-moving machine that's around 11 meters in length, 7 meters in width, and 5 meters in height. It weighs 152,000 kilograms and has a standard blade that's more than 7 meters wide and 3 meters high. It can move 69 cubic meters of material per pass, that's the equivalent drum volume of 6.5 concrete mixing trucks. BelAZ 75,710 dump truck. With a weight equal to that of 100 fully grown elephants, the BelAZ 75,710 is by far the largest and heaviest dump truck in the world. It can carry a 450-ton load and is powered by two 16-cylinder turbocharged engines capable of delivering 24 times more torque than the average F1 racing car. The chassis is as long as 2 double-decker buses, and the truck has 8 4-meter-high wheels to keep it off the ground. Komatsu P&H L2350 loader. Weighing in at 272 tons, the L2350 wheel loader is a beast of a mining machine. Its massive shovel is capable of loading 80 tons of material in one pass. It boasts a 7-meter lift height and 5-meter reach and, with a 16-cylinder 65-liter turbocharged engine pumping out 1715 kilowatts, the loader is officially the largest, and one of the most powerful, earth-moving machines in operation. Liebherr 9800 mining excavator. With a load capacity of up to 92 tons per pass, the Liebherr 9800 is the most productive excavating tool available today. It is also one of the largest. The machine weighs 810 tons, that's 9 times the weight of the Endeavour space shuttle, and has a shovel or bucket capacity of 42 or 47 cubic meters, respectively. An engine capacity of 2984 kilowatts is 4 times that of an F1 racing car. Komatsu P&H 4800 XPC electric rope shovel. At around 14 meters tall, 15 meters wide and 15 meters long, the P&H 4800 XPC is the largest rope shovel on the market. Due to a dipper capacity that ranges from 65 to 70 cubic meters, the machine loads 580 tons of material in a little over 6 minutes. Cat 797F haul truck. The Cat 797F is the second biggest haul truck in the world. It has a payload capacity of 400 tons, and is so big it has to be transported in separate components and assembled at the job site. It's longer than 2 double-decker buses, and more than 9 meters wide. Each of the truck's 6 mega tires weighs 5,300 kilograms, that's 2.5 times more than the weight of a fully grown rhinoceros.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video.